Alright, so first we're going to go ahead and install the Java Jdk. We want to make sure that we do this before we try to install Eclipse. If you try to install Eclipse first, you'll be presented with errors that will prevent you from completing the installation process. So let's go ahead and type Java Jdk into the search bar here. We're going to go ahead and click on the website here that takes us to oracle.com. Now if we try to install a JDK version that's earlier than the current release, it's going to prompt us to either create an Oracle account or use an Oracle account to sign in. We don't want to do that, so we'll go ahead and download the latest release, which is 13.0.1. Now, depending on your operating system, you'll go ahead and pick one of these here. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Windows executable. And once this executable is finished downloading, we go ahead and launch it. And here you could go ahead and choose which file you want your JDK to be installed into. I'm going to go ahead and install it to my program files. Once that's done, we could close this window and get the Eclipse installation going. Type Eclipse here in the search bar. Once again, we want to make sure the website we're going to is eclipse.org. We'll click download, download 64-bit, and click download one more time. We'll save this file here. And once this is finished downloading, we can go ahead and launch the Eclipse installer. And what we are going to be downloading is the Eclipse Ide for Java developers. Click on that. Once again, choose the file you want this to be downloaded to. I'm going to go ahead and download it to program files again. We'll accept this agreement. And accept this agreement as well. We're going to go ahead and click both of these check boxes here to accept these certificates. For some reason my screen isn't showing that these boxes are checked, but I went ahead and checked both of them and accepted both of them. And once we do that, the installation process will be complete. We could go ahead and click launch, and this will open up the Eclipse IDE. It's going to ask us where we want our workspace to be. This is going to be where all your project files are saved, so go ahead and put this in a place that's convenient for you. And once we set that up, Eclipse will go ahead and finish launching here. And there you have it. We're ready to write some code.